Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. To make your garden inviting during cooler evenings. Fall garden decor helps you embrace the changing season while preparing. Today, we're diving into the world of creative mini woodworking projects and small furniture. Ideas that you can craft at home. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced DIY enthusiast, these ideas are perfect for turning your passion into profit. Small woodworking projects not only add charm to your living space but also serve as fantastic money-making opportunities. With minimal tools and supplies, you can start creating beautiful, functional pieces that appeal to local buyers or online customers. Let's explore how you can transform simple wood into profitable masterpieces. Mini wooden shelves are a popular and versatile project you can craft easily at home. They're ideal for organizing small spaces or displaying decorative items. You can customize the size, style, and finish to match different home decors. These shelves require basic woodworking skills and inexpensive materials, making them perfect for beginners. Once finished, they can be sold at craft fairs, online marketplaces, or to friends and family. The key is to add a personal touch, paint, stencils, or vintage accents, to make each piece unique and appealing, increasing its market value. Another fantastic project is creating small wooden planters or herb pots. These are trendy for indoor gardening lovers and add a fresh look to any home or balcony. Using reclaimed or scrap wood, you can craft rustic or modern designs that are eco-friendly. Personalize them with engraved names or decorative patterns to attract buyers. These planters are lightweight, affordable, and easy to produce, making them a great side hustle. Plus, they appeal to a wide audience, from gardening enthusiasts to gift shoppers, boosting your earning potential with minimal investment. Custom wooden picture frames are timeless and always in demand. They're simple to craft and can be customized in various sizes and styles. By adding intricate carvings, painted accents, or distressed finishes, you can create a range of attractive options. Picture frames are perfect for gift shops, home decor stores, or online sales. They also require only basic tools and can be made in bulk, saving you time and money. Unique, handcrafted frames often fetch higher prices, especially if you incorporate personalized touches or upcycled materials. Small wooden stools or benches are excellent for enhancing any living space or outdoor area. These functional pieces are easy to build with simple joints and basic tools. You can style them in rustic, modern, or vintage themes to match different tastes. These small furniture pieces are popular in local markets and online platforms due to their practicality and aesthetic appeal. Additionally, they can be customized with paint, cushions, or decorative accents, giving you the opportunity to upsell and increase profits through personalization. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.